Alright, welcome back to the last one that we'll look at. For this section, what we're going to do is we're going to be subtracting a discount, and then we're going to be adding tax. So we're going to have two calculations that we're going to be doing every single time. Like for example, if you go to the store and you want to buy a t-shirt that costs $30, but then you find out that there's a 20% discount, you would have to subtract that discount from the shirt. And then when you go to the cash register, they're also going to be adding tax to that. So we have to subtract our discount first, and then we add tax to the new sale price of the item. So let's have a look at this. This happens all the time. So in the real world, whenever there's a discount applied to an item that you're buying, the discount gets calculated before the tax is calculated, which is good. You're saving more money that way. So calculate the final price of a t-shirt that costs $45 with a 20% discount. So we want to know, if I'm saving 20% of $45, how much does the item actually cost me? So we know that, as we've done earlier, 20% is 0.20. And if I take 0.20 and multiply it by the item, I'll figure out how much we're saving. Multiply it by $45. We'll find out that we're saving, when I put it into my calculator, $9. So, how much is the new price? Well, the original cost of this shirt was $45. And we're subtracting 9 from that. So the new cost of the item is $36. So that's your new sale price. But now we have to pay tax on that. Remember, tax is 13%. So of that $36, when I go up to the cash register, I'm going to be adding tax to that. So convert the tax into a percent. So 13 divided by 100 is 0.13. But remember, tax we're going to be adding to the price, not subtracting. Multiply your decimal, that's the 13% in Ontario, by the new sale price. That's that $36. I'm going to multiply 13% of $36, because we're going to pay 13% of tax only on $36, not on the $45 price, which is $4.68. That's the tax that we owe on our t-shirt that we're buying. So now we have to add the tax back. So the new price of the shirt was $36, and we're going to be adding our tax of $4.68. When I add those together in my calculator, we get $40.68. So that's the total price that we'll pay for our shirt that originally cost $45, that we discounted 20%, and then once we found out the new sale price of $36, we added tax of 13% to it. And we ended up with $40.68. Our discount was bigger, 20% and 13%. So our discount was bigger. So the number should go down, because discount we subtract and tax we add. Let's try one more. You can give it a shot if you want by pausing it. But we got one last one here. This one says calculate the final price of a lamp that costs $28.50, but it has a 35% discount. So I want to take 35% off of this price. So we want to put it into a decimal. 35 is 0.35. Then we multiply our decimal by the cost. So I'm going to be multiplying 0.35 by the cost of the item, which is $28.50. So we put that into our calculator. 0.35, 35%, multiplied by $28.50, and we get $9.98. We rounded that one up from the number that shows in our calculator, because it's actually 9.975. But since it's 75, we round that number up. So that is our discount. We're saving $9.98. So it was originally $28.50, but I am saving $9.98. So when we put that in our calculator, that's going to give us our new sale price and the new cost of our item that we're trying to buy, which is $18.52. So that's how much the item is going to cost us now. So when we go to the cash register, they're going to ring up on the cash register $18.52. But the cash register is going to add tax to that. So let's figure out what the tax is. So convert the tax, 13%, into a decimal. So 13 divided by 100 we know is 0.13. We've done that one a whole bunch of times last week and this week. Multiply your decimal by the discount cost. So 0.13. So I want to know, what is 13% of $18.52? So I take that number and I multiply them together, and we get $2.41. It was 2.407, but I'm going to round that up because only 2 decimal places for money. So our tax is $2.41. So let's calculate how much it costs us. It was $18.52 was the new sale price, but I have to add tax 0.41, and when I add those ones together, we get the new price of the lamp, which is $20.93. That's what we'll pay for our lamp that originally cost $28.50. We took 35% off of that, so we discounted the price 35%, which left us with $18.52. This number here. And then we needed to add tax plus tax. So we did all the work down here and we found out the tax was $2.41. And we add those two values together to find out how much it's actually going to cost us at the cash register. And that's this one. So there's another lesson for this one. And later on this week, there'll be a quick assignment for these types of calculations. So good luck. Practice makes perfect. And if you have any questions,